What's up YouTube? My name is Vic, I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy, and if this is your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that kind of stuff, I invite you to stick around, watch this video. If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell so you know every time a new video comes up. Alright y'all, so if you clicked on the thumbnail, then you know what we're doing today. Doing an unboxing video. This watch caught my attention. I've been very curious about it. Not much out there about the brand. I don't even know if it's an AliExpress brand, to be honest with you. But every time I do look for it, Pagani design seems to show up with it. So I don't know who makes what or whatever. This watch did not come from AliExpress, such as Pagani would. Came from Amazon, obvious by the packaging. It caught my attention for one very specific reason. Ever since I bought that Norse Sea Monster, the orange one, I've been on this monster watch, addiction, and I've been just trying to get my hand on monster watches, Gen 2s specifically, because to me, that is the best looking monster. It's the Gen 2 monster is my favorite one. The one that I want the most is the Dracula. You don't see too many of those come up for sale. When you do, they're at least 500 and up. So I will have one someday, just not right now. Little out of my reach. But let me not ramble too much. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, y'all. So I have the packaging here. I am wearing my Seiko Save the Oceans, and you'll see why in a minute. Well, with this packaging, I don't need my trusty blade because Amazon makes this easy for us. So let's just open this up. Okay, this is for another watch that I plan to review on the channel. Had a horrible watch strap on it though. Duka. I don't know much about this brand. I do know that whenever I search for this brand on AliExpress or Amazon, a lot of Pagani comes up with it. So I don't know if it's a joint thing. I don't know if they're owned by Pagani or what the deal is. But this particular watch caught my attention for one specific reason, and I'm about to show you why. Nice packaging. It's pretty decent. Oh, shoot. Even come... Wow. Wasn't expecting that. Cheap plastic link removal tool, but the fact that it's there is impressive. Oh, wow. Pretty heavy. But this is the Duka Love the Oceans. Now, I don't know how well it's going to show on my camera. Let me get this little sticker out of here. But it's very visible with the eye, with the naked eye. See if I can get the lighting better. No, that's not better. There are penguin feet in there. Now, if you follow Seiko, Seiko has a Save the Arctic line that has little penguin feet in there. I don't know how the hell these guys managed to get those penguin feet, because this dial looks like the same exact dial that Seiko uses. I actually wanted that watch. It was just a little expensive. See, here's one thing about Seiko, right? I love Seiko. Seiko is probably my favorite watch brand. But Seikos have been getting more and more expensive, right? And even though this is a budget watch channel, and Seikos for the most part fall under what my definition of budget or affordable is, they're getting closer to that higher end of the ceiling. And if I can find an alternative, I will. And this one is an alternative. I paid $120 for this on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description of the video. But it's interesting to me. It's a monster. It's a current gen monster dial, because it's not a monster. It's not a Seiko. The case doesn't look like a monster case. It doesn't have the guard here that the monster would have. Bracelet feels good. Feels like solid links. I won't know until I actually wear it. Oh, wow. Milled clasp. That's always a plus. Not something you expect with these budget watch pieces. But this is it. This is the Duka Love the Ocean. And they have this watch in this color, but they also have it in three other colors. I'm sorry, two other colors. It's like a doo-doo brown. I think the other one was black. I don't remember exactly. But the link to this watch will also give you the other ones in the line, so you'll be able to see them. But I'm curious to see, even though they have the Seiko dial, there's not a Seiko movement in there. I do know that it's a Miyota movement. But until I dive more into the watch and wear it around, and I give you guys a review video, I won't know how good it actually is. But I think this is pretty cool. I don't know how the hell they got the same dial. You know, that's pretty surprising to me. You know, I know the Monster dial is out there, right? You know, Heimdallr, Steel Dive, they all make Eddie's Dive. They all make their versions of the Monster, but they've never done these special edition ones, right? I mean, for this thing to still have the penguin feet in there, that's crazy to me. Like, how did Seiko let this get by? How are they not shutting these guys down? I don't know. But this is going to be this one, ladies and gents. I wanted to do this unboxing for you guys. I wanted to show you this watch. I think it's pretty dope. And because of this dial, I don't know, man. Maybe Seiko comes after these guys. Maybe they shut them down. So grab this one while you can, because I don't know. I got a funny feeling about this watch. So that's going to conclude this video. Full review video on this guy to follow. That's going to be it. Until I see you on my next one. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If you like my videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I put new content up. Peace.